Hey there, let's get the tax residency certificate for Google AdSense sorted before they withhold your hard earned cash. Log into the e-filing income tax portal, head to e-file, select income tax forms, and search for Form 10FA. Pick your assessment year and hit continue. Your personal details will autofill, so just confirm your nationality as India. In the justification box, keep it simple. State that you receive AdSense payments from Singapore, mention the DTAA treaty, and clarify that Google needs this to prove your tax residency. Select the specific dates you need covered, and then upload your supporting PDF documents like your voter ID, driving license, and a screenshot of your AdSense dashboard tax warning alongside your transaction history. Add a quick description for each file. Finally, click Proceed to e-verify. Save yourself a headache and choose the Aadhaar OTP method. Generate the code, punch it in, hit validate, and confirm your submission. Download your acknowledgement receipt and you're set. The tax officer will review it and issue your TRC within 30 days. If they don't, go ahead and raise a grievance complaint on the portal. If this video saved you a massive tax headache, hit that like button and subscribe for more.